So this question says a right triangle has sides of lengths 2 root 2, 6 root 2, and square root 80 units. What is the area of the triangle in square units? So I'm going to draw a right triangle. I know that the area for this right triangle will just be the base times the height times a half. So 1/2 base times height is how we find the area of any triangle. So all I really need to do is figure out which two of these three sides represent the base and the height. So I know that the hypotenuse, which is this long side here, should be the longest of the three. And then the smaller two, I don't really care which one I put in the height and which one I place at the base. So 2 root 2 seems like it's going to be the smallest one, so I'm going to call that my base. The question is 6 root 2 versus root 80. So I'm going to take my root 80. And again, you could just put this into a calculator. Let's just do that. That's the fastest way. You'll have an integrated calculator on your digital SAT. So I'm just going to find the square root of 80. And that is 8.9. And then 6 times the square root of 2 is 8.5. So 6 root 2 is equal to like 8.48 basically, which means that my hypotenuse is square root 80, and then my height would be the 6 root 2. So now throwing this into my area formula, I have area is equal to 1/2 base 2 root 2 times height 6 root 2. And let's see. 2 root 2 times 6 root 2 is 12 root 4, but root 4 is 2, which makes this just 24. And then because we're multiplying that by 1/2, I get 12 as my answer, and therefore choice B is the correct answer.